Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the letterhead and how to create your own customized letterhead in MS Word. Letterhead is a heading at the top of your sheet that includes usually the name, address and the logo or the corporate design. So let's start doing it. Just remove the text like this. Now if I want to create a letterhead for my company or my institution, then I have to decide it first which shape I want, which color I want. So I will take the square first. I will draw the square like this. You can do like this. It should come all the way like this. So if you wish, you can do one more thing before starting the design. You can go to the page layout, select the margin. Here it is a normal. If you want, you can do the narrow one, and then page orientation you can decide. I will keep it as a portrait, and then size A4 I will keep it because I want to print it in the A4 size. Next one is the insert. Click on the shapes, click whichever shape you want. I want some triangular one. So I will take the triangular one like this. So I want the triangle should be upside down. So I will rotate it 90 degree, again rotate it like this. So in this way I can put a triangle. I need to color it with a different color like this. Again I will copy this and paste over here only, and at that time what I will do, I will make it wrap text in front of text, and I will put just beside it. And again I will take the insert, I will take the shape, I will take this triangle again like this, and I will rotate it to the 90 degree like this, and I will put it in the corner, and I will bring it to the back side. So for that there is an option, send backwards or send to the back like this. So this portion is done, and this I will reduce the size little bit. The third one I will again reduce the size. So you can decide the color as per your convenience. I will put the blue. This one portion I will keep the green, and again this portion I will keep the format, and I will change the color just, or I will put it same way as per your requirement. I will move it little bit like this, and you can also make a change in color just by format picture. Here you can format the picture or give a gradient to it. Okay, so the next thing I want is, I will remove slightly here, and I will reduce the size of this also so that they should come in the same line. So what I will do, I will use this all in the same frame. For that I will select all of them, that is all the three triangles I will select like this, and I will go inside a format, that is inside a picture tool format, and I will make them group. So what will happen, I will just copy it and again paste it. So here this is a one portion which I have created, and this is the another one. Now you can see it is not coming here. What I have to do, I have to click on that, or you here also you can see a wrap text. Just click over there, click in front of text and drag it. So now if I want to rotate it to the 90 degree, again rotate it to the 90 degree, and I will put it in the bottom of my page like this. So that is the format I want. the triangle. This portion is, so this type I want. Next thing, I want to put a logo inside my letterhead. So I created one logo. If you want to know more about how to create a logo, there is a separate video available. Just click on that, click on the insert. Now again you have to click on the wrap text and in front of text so that you can reduce the size and you can move that logo anywhere you want. So this much is done. You can reduce or increase the size. Next thing, I want to insert the details of my company. So I will click on the insert, click on the shapes, take a square one, and I will put a square over here like this, and I will drag it little bit, and again I will copy it and paste it, and now I will reduce the size of my, so the outermost part I will give the color this portion I will give the color this, and again I will copy and paste, and you can make it wrap text in front of text, and you can drag it like this, or you can reduce the size first and put it over here and change the color if you want. Okay, so if you want you can remove it or you can keep it as it is like this, copy and paste. You can reduce the size as per your requirement, and in format you can change the color to which color? Blue color. Now here you can type or you can increase the width. You can increase all the widths just by clicking on that, so that you will get a more space to write whichever text you want. So this way you can enter here address, address of your company, contact number, then email ID, and last one is the website. Now the spacing between them is a little bit larger, then I will reduce the spacing and I will keep it in the corner, keep it in the corner, and I will change the font whichever I want. I will increase the font like this. I'll make it bold, or I will change the color to the black, or whichever text you want. You can go into format and text fill you can do, or text outline you can do. So this way you can give the address over here and the information about yours. Next thing is, after doing the things which we have created, we want to see how it is going to look, so that we have to make a changes. So that for making a changes you have to go to the file, click on the print. So here you can see the little bit address is going to the in the left side, so we have to make it little bit on the right side. So what we will do, we will drag it, we will do the thing, then again we will go and see in the print. Now you can see here it is properly visible over here. Now the logo is going just above that border. Then again I will go in the file, I will little bit drag my logo down, and again I will check in the print, and now it's fine. Okay, so in this way you have to create it. So there are many ways to create your letterhead. If you want to know, how to create another one. So if I click on the over here and I will insert a blank page. Now you can see you can add a shapes like this, the square one like this you can add, and now you want to some shape here, then you have to edit the shape, click on the edit points, and you can put here, you can see a red line over here, you can drag it like this. So this way you can create, insert one more shape like this, and you can again edit the shape, edit the point. You have to be careful while editing the shape like this, it should come every time. So it is going to be like this. So it will go back side, so I will send it to the backward. Now here you can see, you can little bit drag it and you can give it different colors. So if I want it to be a little bit darker, you can give a darker. So whenever you create such type of design with the multiple shapes, one thing you have to remember, you have to make them group after completing the shape. Now here you have to select both of them, just press the control key and select the both shape and go inside a format and group them, so that whenever you want it to be repeat or the copy, you can just click on that and you can reduce the size like this and increase the size like this, and you can cut and copy or copy and again paste it wherever you want. So this thing is very much important. If you are creating some design, then it should be in the group format, otherwise you have to copy each and every portion and again paste it. So in this way we have created a letterhead. So there are many options available. If you want to know the different designs, you can google the different designs which are available under the letterhead, and you can try any of them and use it for your institution or the company. Thank you.